This recipe is the perfect appetizer for any occasions. We will need 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 200 grams of ham, 1 sheet of puff pastry, 200 grams of grated cheese, any type, 1 egg for egg wash. Mix together 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Roll out the puff pastry on the work surface. And sprinkle with a little flour. Spread the mixed condiments on the pastry. Place 200 grams of ham on top. Sprinkle with 200 grams of grated cheese. Roll the pastry into a roll. Cut both ends of the roll. Cut the roll into approximately 5 centimeter equal pieces. Place on the tray lined with baking paper. In a small bowl, beat the egg and brush all over. Bake them for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.